I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to set custom heart rate zones on Fitbit. Step 1. Open the Fitbit app and then tap your profile icon at the top of this screen. Step 2. Tap Fitbit Settings in this menu. The associated menu opens. Step 3. Scroll down to the Preferences section and then tap Heart Rate. The heart rate screen is displayed. Step 4. Navigate to the Feature Settings section and then tap Heart Rate Zones. Step 5. Navigate to Custom Zone and then tap to toggle on Custom Zone. You'll now see an editable upper and lower limit. Step 6. Tap each of these fields and then enter what you want to be the new upper and lower limit for your Fitbit heart rate zones. Your new Fitbit heart rate zones will be saved and applied immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.